Hello students, today we start our remaining part of the exercise. Okay, so our next question is, in the adjoint figure, if AB is parallel to CD, is CD is parallel to EF, that means there are three parallel lines, then values of the segments are given. We have to find out the value of X. Okay, so it is very easy. I explain you property of a three parallel lines, so we have to use that theorem here. Okay, so you observe the figure. In that figure, AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Okay, so our solution is that line AB parallel to CD parallel to EF, it is given. Therefore, BD upon DF is equals to AC upon CE. How it is? By the property of a three parallel lines. Then you put the values. After the substitution of value, you get the value of X is 6 units. Okay? It is very simple to find out. Then after the AC, we have to find out the value of AE. You observe that AE, that means the total one. So how it is? AE is equals to AC plus EC. So AC is 12 and EC is 6. Therefore the value of AE is 18 units. Understand? Then the next one, in triangle LMN, ray MT bisect angle LMN. If LM is equals to 6, MN is equals to 10 and TN is equals to 8, then find the LT. Okay, so here we have to use the angle bisector property. Okay, so we all write down our solution. In triangle LMN, ray MT bisect angle LMN. Bisect, that means we have to take the ratios of the remaining two sides. Okay, so the ratio of the remaining two sides is LM upon MN is equals to LT upon TN. Then put the values of the all the side. You will get the value of LT is 4.8 units. Okay. Then the next question. In triangle ABC, segment BD bisect angle ABC. If AB is equals to X, BC is equals to X plus 5, AD is equals to X minus 2 and DC is equals to X plus 2. So here we have to find out the value of X. So we also use the angle bisector property. So we see our solution. So according to our solution, in triangle ABC, BD bisect angle ABC. So therefore we are taking our ratios. AB upon BC is equals to AD upon CD. Reason, property of angle bisector triangle. Okay. So put the values. AB's value is X. So X upon X plus 5 is equals to X minus 2 upon X plus 2. Then we have to cross multiply these. And after the cross multiplication, you solve these two examples. Okay. So X into X plus 2, that means X square. Then 2X is equals to X square plus 5X minus 2X minus 10. You solve that example, you will get the value of X is 10. Okay. In adjoint figure, X is any point in the interior of a triangle. Interior, that means inside the triangle. Point X is joined to vertices of a triangle. Segment PQ parallel to segment DE. Segment QR parallel to segment EF, and here we have to prove segment PR is parallel to DF. How it is possible? So here in these two triangles, triangle XDE and triangle XEF, we have to use the BPT. BPT, you know, basic proportionality theorem. So how it is, we will see. In triangle X DE. PQ is parallel to DE. If the PQ is parallel to DE, then we are taking the ratio XP upon PD is equals to XQ upon QE. It is basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Then in second triangle, XEF, QR is parallel to EF. So again we are having the ratios XR upon ERF and XQ upon QE. So you observe these two equations. This is our first equation and this is second equation. Okay. So you observe these two equations. Here also XQ upon QE and here also XQ upon QE. If XP upon PD is equals to XQ upon QE and XR upon RIF is equals to XQ upon QE, then from 1 and 2 we check out these two. XP upon PD is equals to XR upon RF. So this is our from 1 and 2. Then if these two ratios are equal, then we write down PR is parallel to segment DF. Reason, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Understand? Then the next one. In triangle ABC, ray BD bisect angle ABC, ray CE bisect angle ACB. If segment AB is equals to segment AC, then prove ED is parallel to BC. Okay. So here we have to use 2 times angle bisector theorem in one triangle. So in triangle ABC, ray BD bisect angle ABC. Then our ratio is AB upon BC is equals to AE upon EB. Okay. And then in this triangle ABC, ray CE bisect angle ACB. Then again our ratio is AC upon BC is equals to AE upon EB. Okay. So but AB is equals to AC. अगर AB अगर is equal है, so from 1 to 3 what we get? AB upon BC is equals to AE upon EB and AD upon DC is equals to AE upon EB. If these two lines are parallel, okay, अगर ये दोनों ratios अगर equal आ जाएंगे तो हम ये दोनों lines भी parallel बता सकते हैं by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Understand?